Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to backup iPhone to PC. Let's have a look. First, open iTunes on your Windows PC. If you don't have iTunes, you can download it from Apple website. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Tap Trust to trust this computer. Click Continue on iTunes. Now click on the iPhone device icon on top left. Under Summary, you will see your iPhone details. From Backups, make sure this computer selected. A full backup of your iPhone will be stored on this computer. You can check the box Encrypt Local Backup to add password, and under Manually Backup and Restore, click Backup Now. This will start backing up your iPhone and it will take some times. When backup done, you will see last backup time to this computer. That's it. iPhone backup done. So these are the steps to backup iPhone to PC with iTunes. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.